how to allow Facebook app access to contacts. So if you can't actually access your contacts through Facebook, you can head over right here to your three lines, click on this settings icon, and click right here on the search settings and search right here for contacts. So it's actually the first method wherein you can search for contacts right here. Click on this how people find and contact you, and then you can actually enable the contacts through this particular method. You can also click on this contact info, and then you can add your contact info in order to make this possible. Next thing you can do is you can head over right here to your settings, click or scroll down until you can see apps. Click on apps again and then search right here for Facebook. Once you see Facebook right here, click on the permissions. And then right here, just head over and click on contacts. As you can see, it's on the not allowed list. Then click on allow right here, and then this will allow Facebook to have permission to your contacts. So that's how you allow Facebook app access to contacts. Hope we helped.